Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this episode we are going to see how image caching works in the mobile devices and why is it important, and we'll be seeing a native .NET MAUI control, and also we'll be using a third-party NuGet package, that is FFImageLoading. Please watch the video till the end. So I'll be showing a pre-loading of images at the end of the video. Please don't skip that. So let's get started. So let's understand what is image caching. So it is a process of downloading the image and storing it in a memory or a disk storage so that it can be utilized later once the view is loaded. Okay, why is it required? To improve the performance. Okay, so let's get started. Let's switch back to Visual Studio. Okay, let's open NuGet package manager. Let's copy and paste this. So this one I think I have already installed it. Okay, so at the time of recording the latest version is 1.2.7. let's switch back to Maui program. Let's add this use FFImageLoading here so that it can be used in the XAML file. Okay, let's switch to main page.xaml. So first let's try the caching with the native Maui control. It's an image control. So let's give height request as 500, width request as 500. Okay, let's set the source image.source. let's use URI source, URI image source. So here is the thing. So we can set caching enabled as true, and we can set the caching validity. So it means that it will store the image for next 2 days and it won't be re-downloaded. Okay, and whenever the view is open, it will directly load the image from the cache. Okay, let's copy the URI. Okay, so this is one of the way to load the image using caching. So the next one is, let's try to use FF loading image. So this NuGet provides some extra functionalities that we'll see now. Okay, let's add this image. This is FF loading cached image. Okay, we'll give the same source. Let me copy that. I have the source copied here. I'll just paste this. Something happened. Okay, cool. I will give height request as 500, width request as 500. Now we can give caching type. Let's cache all type of images. It can be stored in disk, memory. Okay, we can set it manually, and then let's specify retry count as 3. So it will retry downloading the same image in case if it gets failed. Let's give some delay as 250 milliseconds. Okay, so next one, we can have a loading placeholder. Okay, so we can specify any image. Until this image gets downloaded, we can show some loading placeholder on top of this. In case if image gets failed to download, we can show some error image. Okay, that shows that download of this image has been failed. Next one is, we can still downsize the sample. We can still shrink the size of the image. Okay, there are 2 more properties: downsize sample to view size. This you can set it as true. It will downsize the sample to the view, or you can manually set some downsize height. Okay, dimension you can set manually, downsize sample width. So we can still shrink the image according to the app's requirement. Okay, if we do this, okay, so it will be both the time the image will be cached, and whenever we try to open the app, if we have to show the same image, it doesn't download again. It will simply go to the cached memory and it will display the image. Let's run the application and see. Let's started. See, both the image got downloaded. Stop this, go back to this. Let's see, image caching, open. So it will directly load the image from the cache storage. Let me switch off. Okay, so we'll see how caching, how we can pre-cache the images before app loads. Okay, so let's switch back to Visual Studio. Okay, let's go back to xamarin.cs. We have in FFloading image, we have something called preload image. Okay, if we have the URL saved locally, okay, what we can do is we can simply use this image service. Okay, that is image service that is present in FFImageLoading NuGet package, and we can load the URLs and we can downsample things and we can store them. So whenever we store all the images, for example, if we have list of images, something like this, let's see, we have all the images URL from the cloud. Okay, what we can do is we can simply pass this function in a separate thread. Okay, so that things will be locally cached, and whenever we load this page, it will, instead of downloading it again, it will directly pick from the cached memory. I guess we have completed most of the things. I guess that's it for the video. If you have any doubts, please drop the comments, and let's see in the next video. Thank you.